Welcome to Advanced Database Management System. In this section, we discuss about NoSQL types of NoSQL databases, document stores, key value stores, column family stores. Let's enjoy. Definition of NoSQL. Key characteristics: flexible data models, scalability, high availability, distributed architecture. Document stores, key value stores, column family stores, graph databases. Explanation of document-oriented databases. Example: MongoDB, features and use cases. Explanation of key value databases. Example: Redis, features and use cases. Explanation of column family databases. Example: Apache Cassandra, features and use cases. Explanation of graph databases. Example: Neo4j, features and use cases. Comparison of NoSQL and SQL databases, strengths and weaknesses of each approach. Big data applications, real-time analytics, content management systems, IoT data management. Thanks for watching the Advanced Database Management System lesson. Hope you enjoy the lesson. To learn more about Database Management System, please check the next lesson. Never stop learning. Thanks once again to enjoy the lesson.